Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Blog. Today we are going to discuss Python sets. So let's see what is Python sets first. So sets in Python is an unindexed, unordered collection of unique elements. So that means in sets the elements will be unordered and they will be unindexed. That means there will be no index in the sets. Like in the list there were list and tuples. We have seen that the elements were indexed, but in sets no elements will be indexed. Set is suitable option when storing information about employee ID as these sets cannot have duplicate. So because sets cannot contain duplicate elements, so that is why sets have only unique elements. They do not have any duplicates. Example, we can see employee IDs, which is always unique. Now let's see what are the characteristics of Python sets. So Python sets are unordered. That means there is no order of elements which are stored within the sets. They are unindexed. Unindexed means there is no index for the element. So you cannot access the data elements of the sets using indexing. There is no duplicate elements. That is in sets every element is unique. It is mutable or changeable means the elements in the sets can be modified. So let's try to understand through some of the examples. Let's run this program. Let's run this program first. So here you can see we have declared an int underscore set. This is a set of integers. It is having these elements under curly braces. Here we are printing the set. Now we have another set str underscore set, and this is a set of strings. Like whatever written inside single quote, these are strings, and we are printing it. So let's try to run this code. So here you can see that these elements are printed. First set is printed here. You can see 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. And these are the second elements are printed. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. Now let's run some another programs. Here you can see that we have int list. This is a list. Inside the curve bracket, this is a list. We have these set of elements inside this list. Now we are converting this list to set. Using the set function, we can convert this to set. We are printing the set. Now this is the, if we just write set and open brace and close brace, so this will be the empty set and we are printing the empty set here. Let's run this code and see the output. So here you can see that set1 is printed int underscore set. Whatever the elements in the set1, they will be printed. Here you can see because we have converted int underscore list to set using the set function. And this is the empty set. Empty set you can declare like this. Just write the set with the open and curly brace. You can declare the empty set. And we are printing the empty set. So here you can see this empty set is printed here. Now let's see how we can access the element of the set, because in sets the elements are not indexed, so how we can access it? So there is one method to access the elements, that is for loop. You can use the for loop to access the elements of the set. Now set underscore one, these are the elements under in this set underscore one. We are printing the set here using the print statements. Now we are iterating through the set using the for loop for num in set underscore one. That means in this set we are iterating through each of the elements one by one and we will print all the elements. Let's run this code. So here you can see the elements are printed here. That means the elements are unordered, so that is why any elements can be printed here in any order. So 17, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12. So these are all printed. Let's clear the screen first here using CLS. Now it looks better. Now we will see how we can add the elements to the set. So here we have subject variable which is a set containing these elements. Now we are printing the set subjects. We are adding one element to the set using the add function subjects dot add. We are adding maths here. Now we are printing the updated set here, and we can also add multiple elements also using the update function. Subjects dot update we can here. So this is a list. We are adding the list here. Computer English we are adding, and now we are printing here. So let's run this program and see what is the output of each of the statements. Now first this is printed, that is given set subjects. So physics, biology, chemistry will be printed. Now updated set will contain maths also, because maths we have added using the add function. So when we are printing the updated set, so maths will also be there. Now updated set is physics, chemistry, biology and maths. After that we are adding multiple elements. So here you can see that we have added computer and English also. So third time we can see physics, English, chemistry, maths, biology and computer. That means computer and English is also present here. So this is a method to update multiple elements in the set, and this is a method to add single element. I hope you are able to understand. Now let's try some more examples. Now here you can see here subject is a set having these elements. We are printing the subject first. Now we are removing the element maths using the remove function. We can remove the element, and we are printing the set after removing the elements here. Now we are also removing the chemistry subject or discard. We can remove elements using discard function also, and we are then printing the subjects set. After that we can also remove any random element from the set using pop function. So this will remove any random element. Discard we are removing some particular element. Through remove we are also removing some particular element, but through pop we are removing some random element from the set. And when we use subjects.clear, it will remove all the elements from the set. Now let's try to add one more print statement. After subjects.clear, see what will be printed. Updated set after clear. Okay, let's run this program and see what is the output. So in the first print statement will print all the elements. You can see all the elements are printed. In the second print statement, math will be removed, and after removing math, all the elements will be printed. So here you can see we have removed maths and all other elements are there. And in the third print statement, we are removing chemistry. So chemistry will also be removed, and you can see chemistry is not here in this print statement also. Now in the fourth one, any random element will be removed. Let's see what is removed. So biology is removed in the fourth one. And when we use the clear, so it will remove all the elements of the set. And when you're printing here, so you can see empty set is printed here. So I hope guys you have liked, you are able to understand all the concepts whatever we have discussed today. If you have any doubt or questions, you can just post in the comment section. Also you can visit my TechHub blog. In this blog you can go through this Python sites and all other topics in the Python, and please do like, share, and subscribe also my channel. So that will give me motivation to bring more such videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.